Okay, hey folks. Yeah, let's get some developer groove music going. Let's go look at chat. Okay, picking up from where we left off. Probably gonna do about an hour today. Just that's about what I got time for. I think maybe need to decrease the resolution a little bit. Seems a little choppy. I don't know. Whatever. Okay. Um, quick detour though. Um, let's go to terminal view. So also did this PR really quickly. Let's get that fixed back up. There we go. Updated extended LTS period post SPIP ratification. I should probably actually include a screenshot, so we're gonna do that really quickly. It's not too much of a pain in the ass, just because like for the website ones, it's nicer when we can um, oh, uh, I guess we have to do a Jekyll serve. Um, uh, okay. And we're going to go local host 4000. We're going to go version policy. And we're going to go screenshot. Um, we're just going to and then let's see if we go edit. Can I add a screenshot here? Yeah. And that way there's just a little screenshot so people can see it without having to like go and manually translate Markdown. Uh, cool. So with that being said, we're going to get back to the thing that we're ostensibly here to do. Or log. Yeah. Yeah. All right. So so first things first, let's update on top of master at the latest commits. Okay, cool. So I don't super remember. Yeah, okay. Were we running tests? Oh shit, now we're also gonna have to do a clean build. Spark website, here we go. Reload. I mean, we don't have to, but we should. Clean, compile, package. Well, we can probably get away with compile package. Realistically, there haven't been a huge number of changes. So we're just going to do a compile package. And are we running the tests over here? No. Any of these already running the tests? No. Spark website, Spark. Oh yeah, I was poking at the visualizer stuff. I was cleaning up the drive. Okay, well, we've got it somewhere, but I don't know where. Okay. That being said, while it's running, I'm just going to go ahead and grab it. Uh, let's see. Actually, if we go run dash tests. Oh, huzzah! It's in there. Fantastic. Oh, okay. Oh, cool. Remove from disk. Yep. Okay. Column not found on line 111. Okay. From PySpark.sql. I'm wondering. Okay, so the thing here is essentially like these imports are here because we've got a circular import situation, but I'm realizing now actually that we can really fix this much more simply, I believe. Transpile. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll import only if needed. Also avoid circular import loops. And then here, we can just go ahead and move these up here. And we can actually have a much more reasonable type annotation. Um, yeah. Um, that's it. Interesting. Stir does not have is not null. Okay. Um, oh. Um, okay. Create column from name. Okay. To Java column. Weird. Uh, hmm. Um, hmm. Um, right. Um, like df.call. Hmm. Okay, column or name. Okay. So no column or name. Oh shit, but we can't add the name. Can we? Okay. Yeah. I don't have to define either. Okay, what am I thinking? Um. Uh, okay. I want to do column name, but not. We don't know the RDD, which is why we want to do name here. But we want it to be a column object that references. We look at our column objects. Um, uh, Create column from. This is. This is in classic. Um, what about in connect? Actually, can we? Okay. The generic instance of this. Uh, Not quite what I want. Not with field either. Not drop field. So like the thing is, like, we could go ahead and we could use the internal thing in classic, but then it won't work in connect, right? Create column from name. Also, where is this called? Okay, actually, you see it's called here. So Java. Where is this called? Because wherever this is called might be where we want to go. Oh, is it going to be in function? Internal? Hmm. No, not quite what I want. Hmm. And there's actually like there's a PR for this right now, which I really that's actually from last week. Okay, functions built in. Let's go look at built-in.scala. Functions. Okay. Okay. Underscore to Java. Okay. Here we go. Okay. column. Okay, because so here's what I'm thinking about right now is essentially, well, okay, let's go ahead and we'll run this test. So it's a place to start. Uh, ah, okay. Okay. So here's our problem. So in Transpile convert chunk line 81. So we instead of column have column or name. So if we go look at functions is not null. Yeah. So that's what we need to do instead. Delete, same thing here, is null. We're going to import everything here because I don't like this. And so let's go take a look at all the other places where we're calling something on the column. Oh, I think that was the doorbell. I'll be right back. Professors, yeah. Fantastic, fantastic. This is very great. I'm very excited. So, it's my wedding ring. I've been married for a while, so it's not new. But like one of the little tiny thingies fell out, and so I sent it back. Actually, I guess I went when I was in Chicago. I got it repaired. But here we can see, and it's pretty and shiny, and I like it, and it brings me great joy. So I'm gonna put it back. Anyways, I'm very excited. Anyways, okay, we're gonna go ahead and fix more types. Okay. Ah, shit. Okay. Um, let's. Oh, wait. Okay, yeah, never mind. Let's go back. We'll leave this one in. And column or name. Well, actually, okay, yeah. So column or name. Ah, okay, and then we're gonna go up here, and what we're gonna do, and then column. It's just gonna be the call instead, and then it should hopefully work. All right, did I fuck something up? Vert trunk, it's right there. Okay. Here we go. What? Space underscore convert. Oh, chunk. Space self dot underscore convert. Chunk. Yep. Oh, there's just two of them. Oh, okay, whatever. Okay. We got a unhandled object. Unary objects? Weird. Alright. I don't see that. Uh. Uh. Huzzah. Okay. AST.unary op equals AST.not operand equals operand. Turn hmm. Ah. Um. Indeed. Great success. Maybe. We'll find out. Who knows? Who knows? Ah. Okay. Um. Return. Value equals value. Right. That seems like what we want. Huzzah. Hmm. Special case literal none. The implicit uh, return none. So, okay, this is actually annoying. I'm realizing now. Um, because, okay, essentially, if we have a binary operator, and it's not inside of return. Oh, okay. Um, just, ah, okay. Okay, okay. Actually, yeah, so that's not a thing. It's just a note for future Holden to think about. And by future Holden, I mean, God damn it, Holden. Oh, you're essentially writing a really shitty Python interpreter in Python. Well, transpiler. That's what writing a transpiler is. Okay, so here we go. Um, uh, okay. Uh, if an or else call equals yeah, and as the ticket. Similarly, else elif len success equals 0. Okay. Oh, it's when test call. Okay. Cool. Okay. Um. Okay. Trivial +4 transpile works. Um. Or f1 minus I. Let's go ahead and edit it. Um. Transpile transpiles in the Python side to do test it. Okay, cool. Now we're gonna go back to test udf.py. Okay. Um, so how would we know for sure that this is actually executing the transpiled code path? We know that we stored it. Don't know for sure that it's executing the transpiled code path, mind you. And in fact, it is, well, it's definitely not doing anything right now. Um, with self. Wait, why is ah okay. Okay. Make sure we can transpile the object. Um, Now make sure we can run the object. Um, ah. Input input df. Um, self. Okay, now let's go input df. Form df formed underscore df dot select. And this should fail, right? Like this should not be equal to 4. But most likely it's going to fail well before we get there. Like we're going to see everything explode. All right. Ah, huzzah. column is not iterable. No idea where this is coming from. So, here we go. Hypothetically, really quickly, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna move this down here. And we'll probably see this pass. Okay, we see it fail, but that's like kind of expected. Uh, oh. Okay, cool. So this code path runs. And not surprisingly, this code path as we would say, not run. Run the transpiled UDF. To do check that it's actually running transpiled version. Maybe with an explain. Cool. Okay. So transpiled target call is udf.transpiled. Transpiled alt is pdf. Oh, what's up? This looks semi-reasonable. Column. Oh, this is a list of of type. Maybe is type error. I could see. Ah, yes. All right, it's list. This makes sense, but it is list of lists. And I kind of. Okay. Let's go take a look. udf.py. We would expect this to be an actual individual column. And instead, it is still a list. So somehow we got a list of lists. So let us go back here to our friend. Okay. So got this. Um, yeah. Okay. So transfile from AST. Ah, why is this a list? This should not be a list. Okay. Now let's go take a look at column.py. And this is inside of classic, I'm imagining. Yep. All right. Line 415 is saying um, so why is it going for the iterator? Um, this is happening inside of create JEDF on line 443, inside of edf.py. Okay. So we've got I think maybe I need to do a to Java column. And then let's go up here. Column. Ah. Okay. Oh. Yes. Ah. Hmm. That looks like it worked. What? Okay. The tests that run EUDF fix the conversion to Java columns for classic for the transpile. Cool. That's the thing we could do. It's yeah. Yeah. Doesn't have to be. Clear that bit. I think this. It's just ah. Okay, how we doing? Run the tests. The other thing that we need to do is call explain on it, right? Over in test. Oh, interesting. Oh, you're saying there's no explain result? I'm slightly confused. Uh, equal that explain. Yes, this should um huzzah. Uh, Parse logical plan, analyze logical plan, optimize logical plan, batch eval Python. Okay, so I do not think the optimizer is firing. That is my takeaway from this. Or our optimizer rule is not firing. Yes. Yes. Okay. Hi. Okay, let's just make sure that this code path is getting exercised at all. Okay, it's not. Oh wait, we have to rebuild that. Okay, still not running. Interesting. I probably forgot to put this optimizer rule somewhere it needed to be. Convert yes to catalyst. That is why. Okay, fantastic. Easy fix, relatively speaking. So we would like to do this relatively early. Um, um, is it, I don't know. Fine. Okay. Operator set. Uh, okay, val batch. Okay. The first batch, potentially changes structure. Okay, let's go. UDF substitution. We'll optimize the substituted. UDF convert to catalyst batch sequence of type batch. Or no, convert Python UDF to catalyst. I think we only need to run this one. Convert to catalyst. Cool. Okay, so the exception. We know the optimizer rule is running now, or we know it's being called. It's not running because we put an exception at the start of it, but you know. Oh god. Okay, cool. So, um, okay, cool. Moderate progress. It's running. The transpile stuff isn't working, but we will fix this. Okay, cool. Optimizer runs and fails. Progress. Okay, cool. This is great. We're gonna come. Oh, wait, what branch am I on? Oh, shit. Cool. Okay, I guess. Anyways, this is fantastic progress. I have to go like to the office because I live in San Francisco. If I live somewhere else, I could probably get out of it. But unfortunately, or fortunately, I love San Francisco. But in this case, mildly unfortunately, I have to swing by the office because the rest of my week is just completely shot, and I should go like see some people in person because that's like a good thing to do even when you're working in open source. If you can, just have like periodic in-person time and check-ins with people because that way they remember you work for the same company, even when you're the uh, somewhat strange person over in the corner optimizing Catalyst UDF expressions, as we say. Okay, so anyways, thank you all for joining and watching. It's been a fantastic day, lots of fun. We made really good progress today, right? Like, we have a transpiled UDF. I think the type here is strictly speaking. I think this is. I don't know why it's saying this. But we'll poke at it some more later. But yeah. Um, mhm. Um, yeah. Yeah. Cool. Okay. I'm gonna go and do business numbers. Anyways, thank you everyone. Have a lovely rest of your week. If you are in San Francisco, actually, I will be at Undercurrent. What's that? Um, on March 26th. So let me bring this up really quickly. Yeah. I'm going to be here. Let's see. Does the register now button still work? I think, yeah. So if you want to, I will be here. I don't know how many people have signed up. Um, but there's often like cancellations last minute, especially for like small events like this. So I would say it's even if like it might be full, it's probably still worth signing up for it, just so you're on the list in case there's a cancellation. And it'll be great. Um, March 26th. What day is that? I should block that on my calendar. Thursday. Fantastic. That is actually the day that I have, and I've got it blocked on my calendar already because I'm very smart. So I hope to see some of you there. This is at the the IKEA downtown, I think, from the picture. I could be wrong. Could be wrong, but I'm hoping it is because I've always wanted to do a tech talk at an IKEA. I think this sounds like a really cool event, and so I hope some of you will join me. Okay, bye.